Hi, Andrew here with the plan of the week. Saturday is Valentine's Day, which may extend to Valentine's week or possibly even Valentine's month for some people. This week's featured course is Pray for Financing. This course helps you to prepare your business, research funding opportunities, gather the right documents, and navigate the approval process to improve your chances of securing financing more effectively. Our expert of the week is Wallace Santos, CEO of Main Gear. Click the link below to check out his top 3 tips for small business success. Vern Taylor, franchise owner of Budget Blinds, is our featured small business owner of the week. Explore the links below to learn more about him and his business. Are your networking skills and business relationship development practices as good as they should be? If not, I invite you to check out our live stream tomorrow evening. I'll be talking with Guy Dunn about how contacts plus opportunity equals success. Last week, I spoke with Nicholas Darvaux-Garneau about how to transform your small business by focusing on profit, customers, and growth strategies. Check out the video highlights below. Also, you don't want to miss our new podcast on Thursday morning with Moza-Bella Tram on achieving your dreams by being true to yourself. Additional events this week. Monday is the Newark Summit for Real Estate, Economic Development, and Placemaking. On Wednesday, Akaba is hosting its weekly Biz Connect. On Thursday, NJAM REP is hosting a session on how to secure contracts and funding for contractors and construction business owners in Newark, New Jersey. Also on Thursday, the Gateway Chamber of Commerce is hosting a networking event in Union, New Jersey. Additionally, make sure to save the dates for our upcoming events. The Power Network event is Thursday evening, March 19th at the Sankofa Cafe in Montclair, New Jersey. And then the Masterpreneur Breakfast is on Friday morning, March 20th at the Galloping Hills Golf Course in Kenilworth, New Jersey. Register today to take advantage of the early bird discounts. Get more details on these events below in the POW and check out our website events calendar page for more details about upcoming events. Scroll down through the POW for business tips, opportunities, and more event details. And always remember, the more that you know, the faster your business will grow.